Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to stop requests in Instagram posts. Write if my solution helped you. Did you manage to do it this way? If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Instagram. Open your profile. Click on the three bars in the top right corner. Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Messages and Story Replies. Message Controls. And here is the first setting of your followers on Instagram. In order for us to stop requesting messages on Instagram, we need to switch to the second setting, and after that, we will not receive requests. Only when a person subscribes to us, we will confirm this request, and then the person will be able to send a message. If you want to disable this feature, you can click here and turn it on, and also turn it off. So simple and easy on any phone and on any Instagram account. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Give us likes. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if my solution helped you or not. Goodbye.